Here are some ideas about the teamwork in this project. We know that there are teams of different geographies, different time zones, different languages. So the question is, how do you get together with the team, work together, and make sure that in the end everyone agrees with the design? In every team we want to establish some roles. We want to have the lead designers, we want to have the intern designers who are usually students or people with less experience. We want to have engineers, we want to have consultants, we want to have a project manager. We would like to have someone who is responsible for the representation and the final deliverables of the project. So we leave it up to you to decide which roles each member of the team is going to take. In some teams with less people, or if you're working by yourself, maybe you have to do everything alone. You have to be the lead designer, the intern, then the project manager, and do the representation and communication of the work. It's totally up to you how you want to work. If you don't have a team yet, I invite you to post on our Facebook group and also on the OED forum, our website, and tell people that you're looking for a team. We also shared with you the survey that we conducted last week. So in the survey you have the contact information of the course participants. You can approach them by email and tell them how excited you would be to work with them and to make amazing projects together. You have to be conscious about how you choose your teammates. Some people work together in a team, other people are less used to working in teams and prefer to work individually. So just talk to the team and see what everyone is comfortable of doing, see how you want to distribute the roles, who is going to be the project manager, and then in the end let us know. We want to have in the submission at the end of this week a summary of the roles in your team. So we want to see a picture of every team member, their name, and then also what their role on the project is. So this should be included into your submission. And this is our way of really understanding as Open Online Academy to understand who is part of this course. Until now we have thousands of people who signed for it, and people are posting things here and there, and they show up in meetings, but we really don't have a final idea of who is doing the work and who is in the course. So the submission would be our way to understand who you are, what your role is, and then what your work for this course will be from now until the remaining 4 weeks of the course. So this is about forming the teams. Now, once you have a team, how do you work together, all right? And how do you share information across continents, across time zones, across cultures, languages, and not to mention all the different skills that each one of you certainly has. I invite you to create a Facebook group just for your team and for your team members, and to use that as an opportunity to collaborate with them. You can also have a Google Plus community with your teammates. Also use Google Drive as a place where you can share, store, exchange information. And all these tools would be available to you and to your team, and the better your communication is, the better the final project would be. We have been using for our communication platforms as Adobe Connect. You're welcome to use Adobe, sign up for a free trial account. You can use Skype, you can use Google Hangouts. All of them are very efficient ways of collaborating and sharing information. My favorite one is Adobe Connect, and that's the one that we use for our virtual meetings on Saturdays. So this is it about the teams. Please let us know who you're with and enjoy this collaboration. It's really a unique opportunity to be part of an international team, to be discussing ideas, to be working with people from so many different cultures, languages, and to have one goal. And this one goal is to help the people in need, to help the millions of people out there, currently 52 million refugees living all over the world, and to design something that could change, improve, and make their life so much better.